Hello, welcome to the Feed Welder. Today we're going to talk about shop theft and ways to help prevent that. When you find that your toolbox has been broken into and a bunch of your tools taken out, and you walk around and you look for those tools, you go to your supervisor, you go to your foreman, and inform them that you can't do your job, guess what? The blame's going to be put on you. The one that had his toolbox broke into and had his tools stolen. You're going to be responsible. Not the thief. They're going to look at you and wonder why you're not doing your job, because that's what they assigned you to do. It's not the supervisor's responsibility, and it's not the foreman's responsibility to make sure that your tools are protected. That's your responsibility as a worker. What you want to use is a steel heavy gauge toolbox, and use a good heavy solid block. Don't use one of those cheap plastic things that'll break if you look at it wrong. The biggest theft item that I experienced over my years as a welder, working in these smaller and large shops, your tape measure. The next biggest item that you're going to find stolen are vice clamps. Different sizes. Vice clamps, C-clamps, any kind of clamp that a thief can steal, they're going to steal it. They're going to grab whatever they can out of your box or even off your project that you're currently working on. They're going to take those items, they're going to walk right out to their car and put it in their car and walk back in like nothing happened. They don't care whose it is, what job you're doing. If they find an open box or an unlocked box, they're going to go through it while you're busy off doing something else, doing your job. And when you find out that your tools are missing, let me tell you, nobody saw anything. They didn't see anybody come in. They didn't see anybody go out. Nothing is going to happen. So how do you prevent this? Is I sprayed everything with a fluorescent pink or purple paint. I know, you're probably laughing right now, but let me tell you, so did everybody else at the shop. They see me using a fluorescent pink tape measure, and they just laughed as hard as they could. But every single person knew whose tape that was, because they all made fun of me for using it. It's not just the color, and you can use a different, you can, spray paint it gold. The colors you do not want to use are yellow, orange, and red, because chances are there's other people in your shop that are using one of them colors to paint their tools with. You want to be different. That way, if you ever have a tool missing or a tape or something, you're going to be able to go around and talk to some other workers, and they'll know exactly who has your tape or tool or clamp. Engraving. Now on a tool like this, you want to engrave your name several times on both sides. Not just once, because if you grind it, if you etch it on here just once and they go off and grind your name off, I ain't gonna prove anything, because I've seen people using clamps with somebody's name ground off. I mean, I knew it was stolen, but there's no way to tell whose it was. I mean, but if you take and you create your own pattern of identifying your tools in such a way, and they have to go around and grind every one of your names off, or symbols, or whatever it is, and you see that tool from a distance in your shop, you're gonna know exactly whose tool that is, even if they do take all the paint off. Because this is your personal property. It doesn't belong to anybody else. Nobody else paid for it. It's your personal property and your responsibility to make sure that you keep it and you're able to use it. When you hire a new person, that you make them sign a form that states that they can go through your box if needed, or search your person. Reason is like I said, thieves are everywhere, and they will steal anything and everything. And if a worker has signed that clause, that their toolbox can be opened up and searched, and there's a chance that that worker that had his expensive tools stolen has a chance to get his property back. That's all for now from Emmett. See you later.